Wiper blades, or windshield wipers, are one of the most important safety features on your vehicle. They keep rain, snow, dust, and debris off your windshield so you can keep a clear line of vision on the road. In this video, we'll identify when it's time to change your wiper blades. As a general rule of thumb, we recommend inspecting your wiper blades every 6 months and changing them once a year. However, you should replace them immediately if they are squeaking, skipping, splitting, or streaking.
Squeaking is probably the easiest and definitely the loudest sign that you need to replace your wiper blades, because it means exactly that. They're old. Pro tip: if new wiper blades are squeaking, make sure they're securely connected and clean the windshield with wiper fluid. Wiper blades that skip are not making smooth contact with the windshield. This is caused by bent or curved blades or rubber that is worn down due to a lack of use, like being left in a parked position for a long period of time.
Splitting is like a bad sunburn for wiper blades and causes the rubber squeegee to separate or split from the frame.
Streaking is caused by debris on either your windshield or the wiper blades and causes the rubber squeegee to dry, harden, and crack. It can also be caused by warped or worn out blades not making consistent contact with your windshield, or if you have the wrong type of blade, like a conventional instead of beam.
If you see your wiper blades not operating smoothly, or it's been over a year, be sure to get them changed before you need to use them on the road. You can never be too careful when it comes to driving safety, especially with your ability to see through your windshield clearly. And there you have it. For more information, visit discounttire.com. You can also buy and book online and get your new wiper blades installed for free at the same time as your next tire appointment at any Discount Tire store location. Thanks for watching.